Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel First State Immigrant Solution. My name is still Anthony, your presenter. The reason why I come na because of say this coronavirus. I wan come do the second video for the first one wey I first drop about a few days ago on this coronavirus. So now na Italian government don still come with another law because each time they come with new law, I will still come here and come still use this law still take educate our brothers and sisters wey no see understand the wetin dey happen for the country. Na im make am for our people wey still dey back in Africa, make dem still know wetin we still dey pass through for here for Italy, say everything no be the way we see am o. Wetin dey happen? So about 2 days ago, the government come talk say make nobody comot for their house, make dem no dey comot everywhere because of this virus. Because why? If you comot for house go greet person, so if you wan go greet am, you fit shake am, you fit hug am, you fit do any other thing wey go fit take make this virus take contact to the second person. Na im make am this virus dey fast well well, take dey move from one place to another. So when this virus first start about 3 weeks ago, na few people first get am for north of Italy wey dem dey call Lombardia and Veneto. So now na Emilia Romagna, which is another region wey still affect well well. So e dey among the second region wey go get this virus pass now for the whole Italy. So dem come talk say dem no wan dey see red zone for Emilia Romagna region or Lombardia region or Veneto region. So na im make dem come bring total shutdown of the country. Wetin e mean be say make people no dey come outside again. So our people sometimes dey still dey come outside. Like yesterday now for my place of work, na dem come tell us say this morning if you dey work for bar, restaurants, or you dey work for any other place where for dey do massage or barbing or dey do salon, or dey still dey do any other work wey una no fit respect 1 meter distance from each other, dem say make dem close, make dem stay for house. For those people wey dey work, government go still take care of una if the time don reach. Anybody wey still get particular fever, dem say dem still settle those people when time don still reach. So make una stay for house, make this virus no dey move from one place to another. So na im make am when World Health Organization, wey Italo dey call OMS, come talk say this virus, the way e take dey move fast from one person to another, for people to people now, e don reach from epidemic to pandemic, which means say the whole place now e don dey everywhere for this Europe, no be only Italy. So na only Italy be the first country wey just shut their country down, say make their people stay for house. Like America say from tomorrow, which is on the 30 on Friday, which is on the 13th of March, say their own flight now dey come down for Europe again, except for England wey be their colonial master. So now I say make I come use the opportunity see take advise our people say if you wan dey come out, restriction dey o. So if you come out say police gbab you or any other governmental sector come ask you say why you come out, if you no get cogent reason, wey that na big English wey people dey talk say good reason wey make you come out, if no be because of work or where you for get resident, or because of your children, or because of say sanity, maybe the person not well, or you wan go buy something for pharmacy, or you wan go do shopping for house, if you no get that reason, government will give you wetin dem dey call fine, which fine wey dem go give you na €206 fine, or you go stay 3 months imprisonment wey our people dey call jete. So if you don stay for 3 months imprisonment before you go come, so the person name go fit still enter crime list wey go still tarnish image, no fit still apply for document again wey dem dey call permanent permit of stay or passport. So make our people use this medium still take stay for house. But una no talk say abeg we wan go pray or we wan run go church, say Bible say Bible tell us say the guardian of the saint make we no forsake am. Abeg, we no know this Bible pass Pope wey e talk say na streaming, wetin dem call internet, na im wan for give im message. Make our people stay for house, because Bible talk and say where 2 or 3 for gather, he dey with us for there. You understand me now? So now there for talking for the book of Matthew 18:20, say where 2 or 3 for gather, he dey with us for there. So now because of that one, now I suffer carry my family. Now we join hands together, see they pray for government, for God make them see give inspiration to those people wey see dey under sanitary area, make them foresee the solution to this coronavirus. So if your friend come tell you say mo go bar, mo go garden, mo just go drink, abeg, if police gbab you for road, you no get this auto certification wey dem dey call auto declaration, wey be the form wey dem dey fill before you comot for house. If you no get am, na multa dem go give you, which dem dey call fine. Where you foresee this form wey dem dey call auto declaration, na the site of Italian minister website, na you forget am. If you just type www.iterno, which is interno.gov.it/it, if you just click on the first page wey go display, you go see where they write modulo per auto certificazione. If you just click on that modulo, na PDF file you go just download. And if you download those PDF file, you go see these two, you go see this one where I wan show you. So you don see am. So this one where I dey show you, so na be the new one wey e dey now. So the one wey dey first bring na this old one. Na there dey for talk a list of country wey dey first ban before the president come talk say make dem no restrict those northern area region, but dem come say make dem restrict everybody wey dey for Italy, because when dem talk say make dem close those northern area, a lot of people wey dey work for that side just quick run enter train, all of them don go reach house. So na make this virus come reach about 10,000. So anybody wey dey, because of this virus, dey give fake rumors, they say government say they come for now. So more na mind the one that they talk for internet, because those things where people, our people, you dey share. Abeg o, more na some people don die o, this one don die o, and so you hear for this one. Abeg, more na suffer carry una temper down. God dey save the people. More na stay una house. More na not talk say because of say una no dey go work, more na go dey greet one person from one place to another. More na stay for una house. So how they take dey fill this form? Many people dey ask me say, bros, abeg, I no know how I take fill this form, which is this form wey I tell una. So after una don download am, before una comot for house, una make sure say una fill am, and una place of work, una still tell dem say make dem put stamp if you know say you dey go work. And before you comot for house, you fill am where they write say Soto Scripto, you put your name for there. Where they for born you, you put the date of birth where they for born you ill, and the place where they for born you put am for there. Where you for still get resident, you still put am there, and the street where the resident dey, na be the via, you put am there. So where they write identificator and mezzo, you put your passport, whether na passport you get to, your permit of stay you get to, you write am there say, or carta identità, you write am say carta identità or permit of stay or passport. Then the number you put am for there. Then your phone number you still put am join am. So you come talk say, I hope they come ask una say, I hope una know the consequences wey e dey wey you make you comot for house. Na be this declaration. So the consequences na be the sanction wey e dey, which is 206 multa, which is fine wey dem give you euro, or you face 3 months imprisonment. So now I can't use this medium say they can't still put am for under say if you need to move, say you no get any other thing. One of the reasons why you need to move be say because of work. And work now na not be work wey be say you dey work for bar or you dey work for restaurant, they don close all those ones down. Or you dey work for saloon, they don still close all those ones down. The only work wey they can't leave now na few work wey you know say work wey dem dey call smart work, wey you fit work for house, or those legbuke work wey you fit still give distance from your co-worker. Na be the work wey Italo can leave. So every other work they come close am. They come still talk say if you still get the reason for, like say your health, say person dey sick, you wan quick rush am go hospital, you fit still get that reason, or you dey resident for that area. So the law be say for commune wey you dey, so which is the quarter wey you dey, if you wan comot for quarter wey you dey, you no need this one. But if you dey go other quarter, you need am before you comot for house. You go feel am before you comot for house. In case if police stop you, you just quick give am say, see the reason why I comot for house. For our people wey still dey run church, please, make una still tell una members say make una still stay for house o, because our people dey perish because of say dem no get knowledge. Because Bible still make us say make we still dey respect the law of the land. Na im make am say make I still use this medium still dey tell our people say make una suffer stay for house, make this virus no too much spread. Because if this virus don die down, we fit dey come out. So if any need dey for our Christian brothers and sisters say dem must still go church, make una use wetin dem dey call Facebook or any other social media, make una take add una members, so that from inside your house you fit deliver your message and pray together to all your members. But if you come say you wan still use, say man, God say make you fit tread upon serpent and scorpion, say e no harm you, say you wan go. So at the end of the day now, if you wan go, you come go get this fine of 206, or they come tell you say make you go stay for jete wey dem dey call prison for 3 months. At the end of the day, nobody go come bail you. Everybody go answer papa name. If you know say you get ear, abeg shine your eye o. But if you still look the other video wey I come still drop, I first talk say if you know say you wan travel for this period, make una first shine your eye. If una first remember when I talk that thing that time, people come think say maybe I just by talk am, because these things wey we dey call so this thing don dey pass. Be careful, because no man no dey waka up and down. If una wan travel, make una suspend una travel first, because now everything don tie wrapper o. Because where the thing dey go now, na only God na im go fit help his children. So make una no forget to still subscribe to my YouTube channel. So because of say my brother, anytime wey I still drop new video, una still get alert for una Facebook. The reason why I dey knack this thing for Pidgin English be say I want make everybody for understand, both the people wey still dey Nigeria, wey dey still dey talk say make their people still send money come, make dem know say their people no fit come out for house go send money now. Because if dem gbab any of them, na reggae o. Na I say make I still tell our people for Pidgin English. So this one not be say na to create fear for our mind of our people, na to respect the law wey government talk for Italy say make everybody stay for house. And for those people wey no still get work, so say dem no get anything wey dem take dey work, wey government know say e get wetin e still talk say wey go fit take help people wey no get work, dem never talk that one o. So if you no get work now, na God will come dey pray make e fit help una, because now everywhere don tie wrapper o. So if you know say you no dey work, make you go look for where somebody go fit still help you for work, wey government go still know say this person e get work, but na because of this situation no fit comot for house. So if you know say you no get work, no payment for una side or for government hand. But why those people wey lose work, wey get this thing, government go give una money small as the matter reach. So na here I for end this video. My brothers and sisters, make una share this video, make una not forget to subscribe. So I still remain your brother Anthony. Una bye bye o.